Welcome to the next and also last part of Faded. Glad to see you again, and let's today finalize the piece because we have a huge synthesizer part. And that's advanced. I mean, you don't have to play it like this in the octave because these are the two same notes, F sharp. Yeah, you can only play one of these. Yeah, or both. But you should know that's advanced. Okay, so the left hand, there's no change. Yeah, we play the same chords. So, and that's the first practice part in the right hand. F sharp 3 times, bum bum bum, and then again, bum bum bum, so 6 times. 3 times also A sharp, and then F sharp 1 octave higher. Only once. So, a couple of things. First of all, you can also play this with only one hand. Yeah, and it's still hard. Yeah, it's not easy. But if you want to play the octave here, this interval, yeah, the space between these two notes has the name octave, yeah. So when we play this note and the same note here higher, we say we played 1 octave higher, yeah. Okay, so if you want to play the octave, a couple of tips. So when your hand is very when you have no tension in your hand, it looks like this. So now spread your hand, but with as little tension as possible. I mean, you need some tension to hold your fingers like this. Because again, if you don't have tension, it looks like this. Yeah, so let's bring them outside, but not more than necessary. Not like this. Yeah. Tension is not good. So bring it outside, but as smooth and as relaxed as possible. And it will get better over time. Yeah. And this is how we play this octave. And if your hand is still small, you can also stretch your fingers. Yeah, be careful with this, of course, not to overstretch it. But it's like if you're stretching your body, like when you're making sports or working out or so. You can also stretch your fingers. Yeah, it's finger workout. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on the A sharp and 1 F. Ba-dum bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum. That's the practice part. Yeah, and I press the pedal here. That's why my notes keep playing. Bum 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 bum. So, okay, great. That's the first practice part. And the right hand, when we bring both together. So, always when we play the first note in the right hand, the left hand plays. So now 1, 2, 3 is the right hand alone. We play this again. 1, 2, 3 alone. Now 1 together, 2, 3 alone, and 1 together. Okay, together, right, together, right, together, right, together. Okay, that's the first practice part. The second one is so we have just one F or E sharp. Then we have D sharp and 2 triples. Yeah, I call them triples now. Well, not triples is also not correct. So 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You know what I mean, right? And then C sharp. One, two, three, four. And this looks like this. Right hand plays this note alone. And here, together, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right. Right, together, right. Okay. So the third practice part is, and by the way, I keep going, of course, but chances are high that you need a lot of time to repeat this again and again. Yeah, that's the key to success. And then we have the notes A sharp 1, 2 times. And then we have single notes C sharp, B, B flat, F sharp. Yeah, it's not B flat, so in this case it's A sharp. Yeah, C sharp, B, A sharp, F sharp. Single notes. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. So, and this is like this. Together, right, right, together, right, right, together. Together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Yeah, these are just the last notes and everything together. Okay, great. That's the next practice part, and then so the fourth practice part, we have again these 3 notes like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, but in reality it's just F and G sharp. 1 2 G sharp back to F. Yeah, and the chord in the left hand is like this, and we have the same roots. Together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, yes, and together, right, right. Again. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. That's this synthi part. I mean, it's the funny thing is, I know that Alan Walker produced the song with FL Studio, and these notes are just like he has this bar that goes like all the time back and forth, and he only makes with his mouse some points here, yeah, and this is how all these notes were created, yeah. So he made this point. I mean, he created a beautiful melody. Yeah, and we have to search all the complicated things on the piano together. No, but I mean, it's fun. But I definitely saw how he shared it, how he makes this music, especially when it comes to the synthesizer part here. Okay, so So all together very slow. Yeah, and this is repeated. And after this is done, we have the second verse. Yeah. Okay, and I play the whole piece for you in the next video, so that you can see how I play this, yeah, all together. Okay, so thanks so much for being here, and I'm looking forward. Thanks so much for being here for this entire tutorial. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and I'm so happy that you made it. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's still some work to do, yeah, but I have no doubt that you will make it. So thanks so much, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video when I show you the entire piece, and of course in another tutorial.